Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how to set up a payment gateway in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is integrated with major online payment gateways across the globe to make the process of receiving payments simple and hassle-free. With this integration, along with the invoice, you can send an online payment link to your customers. And when the customers pay you through that gateway, the invoice gets closed automatically and the status changes to paid. Now, let's understand this with an example. Log into Zoho Books and go to Settings. Click Integrations and click Customer Payments. The payment gateways that are integrated with Zoho Books are listed here. For the purpose of this video, let's go with Stripe. Click Setup now. If you do not have an account with Stripe, you can create a new one here. However, if you have one already, you can click the Sign In button on the top right corner and sign in to your account. Then, select the bank account in which you wish to receive the payments and click Connect My Stripe account. You have now successfully integrated Stripe with your Zoho Books organization. Stripe also allows you to monitor your Stripe transactions, check the sales, Stripe fees, and the amount entering your bank account. You can click this button to configure the same. Now, you're all set to receive payments online. During invoice creation, you will see the payment gateways that you have integrated over here. To select the payment gateway, check the box against it and click Save and Send. The invoice will be emailed to the customer along with the payment link. Also, instead of sending an email, you can also share the invoice link with your customers through a medium of your choice. This will also have the payment link attached. They can click the Pay Now option and make the payment through their card. Once you receive the payment, the invoice will be automatically updated as paid. In cases where you raise invoices to your customers on a recurring basis, some payment gateways have an option to collect the customer's card details and charge the card automatically when an invoice is raised. This is called auto charge. This can be done in 3 ways, but first, let's see how to enable the auto charge option in your Zoho Books organization. Go to Settings and click Preferences. Then, click Recurring Invoices. Check the option to create, charge, and send invoices. You can further choose the retry and email content preferences here. Also, if you do not want the option to save the card details selected automatically in the client portal, check this box. And then hit Save. You have now successfully enabled the auto charge option. There are 3 methods in which auto charge works. Auto charge through Client Portal. Client Portal is a feature in Zoho Books where your customers can view their transactions, payment history, and also make payments for their invoices. In the first method, while making payment for a recurring invoice, the customers will have the option to authorize your organization to use this card for future transactions. If your customers have enabled this option, then the card details will be stored with the payment gateway and will be used to charge the customer automatically for future invoices. Auto charge by associating customers' cards. Next, if your customers have given their credit card details, then you can directly associate the card to the recurring profile or the contact. To associate a card to a customer, go to Contacts and click the customer for whom you want to add the card details. Then click More and select Add New Card. Enter the card details and save it. If you create a recurring invoice for this customer after adding the card details, you still have to associate the card with a recurring profile for the card to be charged automatically. Let's see how to associate cards to a recurring profile. Go to Sales and click on Recurring Invoices. Then click on the recurring invoice with which you wish to associate the card. Click Associate Card. The card will be listed. And click Associate Card again. This card will be charged automatically from the next invoice of this recurring profile. Manually charging your customer. If you have associated a card to your customer, then you can also manually charge the card when an invoice is raised. Go to Sales, click Invoices, and then click the invoice you wish to charge your customer for. Then click the drop-down arrow next to Record Payment and click Charge Customer. The associated cards will be listed. However, you can also add another card and charge your customer from that. In this video, we saw how to integrate a payment gateway and receive payments online. Also, the process of setting up the integration varies slightly from one payment gateway to another. For more information on setting up the payment gateways, please refer to the link given in the description. If you have any queries, you can write to us at support@zohobooks.com. Thank you.